Hi there, this is the unboxing of my RC car that I've bought during this isolation period. I've been a user of RC cars for quite a while, however I haven't actually delved into this in about 10 to 12 years as I've been being a boring adult for too long. So let's dive into it. It's an FTX Comet Desert Buggy, and yeah, we'll have a look. So it came from Mankind. It is a hobby grade car. It's nothing fancy, but it should be a little bit of fun. Now, as it stands, this is a fairly basic car. Let me just adjust the angle there. There's nothing massively special about it, but it should have some potential for upgradability in the future. So that's the car there. And that's just a little bit of information from Mankind. It's just packaging. So just open the seal on the side. Now this comes ready to run, so it has everything I need in it. As you can see on the side there, let's roll this side up. You've got, it's a 1/12 scale. It's meant to get up to quite a high speed. It doesn't actually say what speed it is, but it's got your ECU, not ECU, ESC. It's got a transmitter. It's got the servo, everything you need, coil sprung shocks. Everything should be in here. So we'll just open that up. This side. So first things first, on top, instruction manual, USB charger, and there's a different pinion gear in there. All the packaging. That's the receiver. Nothing too elaborate. You've got your steering trim and steering rate, and you can reverse them and on off. Simple trigger style controller, which requires 2 AA batteries. As I said, this is fairly basic. So, and then the rest in the box is just the car itself. Let's get rid of these. Let's get some snips. Car itself, nothing else there. So as you can see, it's got inbuilt body screwed into the sides there, screwed into the front, and also at the back. There's your back view. All sprung shocks, both front and rear. Battery compartment is accessed via this pin in the bottom. Just pull that out. Pop the pin open, and there's your battery. Now the battery itself is a 1000 milliamp hour lithium ion battery, which does have charging connector and then also your plug. And There's your other plug on the side. We've got a motor in here, which I believe is a 370 turn. However, we'll have a closer look at that. Let me just get something to take the lid off. So just unscrew the lid. Travel seems to be okay on the suspension. I've read some reports on this from various different YouTubers, watched some videos as well, and for basic entry back into the RC side of things, this seems to be something that will tick all the boxes. However, as I said, it is entry level, so I'm not expecting greatness, but we'll have a look. I do have some potential plans for speccing this up a bit. I'm thinking about possibly putting a brushed motor in it. That's the body shell there, just comes off. The reason I went with this is for the hardened body. Take this little cap bit off as well. Yeah, I'm thinking about putting a brushless system in it, so I'll need to take the motor out, take the servo out, put a proper transmitter with it, with a proper receiver, because at the moment it runs on the 2-in-1 ESC and receiver, which isn't the greatest idea in the world, but it will do for now until I get a little bit more cash that I can throw at this. So there we go, that's the body off. So you can see we've got our gearbox in here with our motor, we've got our 2-in-1 ESC and receiver going off to a servo there, which has multi-link steering, as you can see in there. Doesn't seem to be a massive amount of movement on the servo. We've got proper drive shafts, which are plastic links on the suspension, and got metal hubs as far as I can see. On the front, again, plastic for the steering arms and also the suspension arms. Suspension doesn't seem too bad. It's got a bit of damping there. Let's just do that again. Looks like it could be quite good. Charger, it is a USB charger. I very much doubt there will be any power in it. Look. Little flashing light on the receiver there, so there might be some power in it. But I don't have any batteries for the controller at the moment. So, there we have it. The FTX Comet Desert Buggy. I'm going to get this up and running, and we'll see what it's all about. So that's just a little bit of a preview of what I've got, and as I said, I'm going to do some work on this and see if I can get it hopped up, see if I can get any more speed out of it. But that's my Model Citizen RC Buggy. Thanks very much.